Head over to code.visualstudio.com/download and click Download. If you're in Mac or Linux, you can choose your version here. I use Windows, so I'll click Windows. Choose the folder where you want to save it. I'll just put mine inside the downloads. Then click Save. Wait for the download to finish. Now, we can install it. In the license agreement, you can pause the video and read all of it. I'll choose I accept the agreement and click Next. Select Destination Location. You can click this folder button to specify where you want to install it. For now, I'm okay with the default one. And Next. For this, I'll just click Next, it's for where you want to save the shortcut. Check Create Desktop icon. And Next. Double check. Then click Install. Wait for a few minutes. And we can now open the Visual Studio Code. Hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell icon for more coding tutorials. Goodbye.